Hello, this is Josh Alexander with Perkins Generator Sales and Service again. Today I wanted to share with you some important information to consider when installing or maintaining a backup power generation system. As you watch our various videos on maintenance practices, I may reference various codes or terms. There are several things that could be considered code infractions if not properly installed. That's why it's so important to have a professionally trained and equipped technician, such as our team here at Perkins, aid in or assist you on any install, repair, or service to your backup power system. These machines run off of either natural gas or liquid propane. If they are not properly installed per your current building codes, this could lead to potentially harmful carbon monoxide emissions that can harm you and your home or surrounding neighbors. That is why we at Perkins take this very seriously. We want to ensure that your system will operate correctly and safely for you and your home, and secondly, that you're able to enjoy uninterrupted power and operation when you need it most. If you have any questions regarding your Generac or Cummins backup power system, please give us a call at 770-251-9765.